The most mysterious and terrifying place on Earth lies hidden deep in the Pacific Ocean. Known as the Mariana Trench, it is an abyss of absolute darkness, plunging nearly 11,000 meters deep. Down there, not a single ray of sunlight survives, and the crushing pressure feels like invisible monsters grabbing you.
I'm completely lost.
Few have dared to enter this void, but recently, a major superpower has thrown caution to the wind. They aren't just researching, they are sending advanced robots and planning permanent bases on the ocean floor. Let's dive in. Down to 200 meters, the water is full of beautiful light and vibrant life. But by 1,000 meters, the sun is gone. In this pitch-black realm, alien-like creatures use glowing bodies to hunt. At 4,000 meters, we enter the abyss. The seafloor looks like an endless desert, covered in falling marine snow. Food is incredibly rare, but a fallen whale creates a sudden, magical oasis of life that lasts for decades. Past 6,000 meters, the true trench begins. The water pressure here is 600 times greater than at the surface.
Initiating deep
At the very
sonar.
bottom lies the Challenger
abyss.
Deep, home to strange, pale creatures that defy the laws of nature. Only a handful of humans have ever touched this floor, starting with two brave explorers back in 1960. Decades later, new milestones were reached as highly advanced submersibles safely brought explorers to the crushing bottom. But exploration has changed. Instead of giant subs, scientists are now building swarms of tiny, highly capable robots. Imagine autonomous machines the size of a shoebox, silently scanning the deepest and darkest corners of the ocean. These robotic swarms can map the seabed cheaply and quietly, turning the unknown into a well-documented grid. Why the sudden rush? Because this crushing darkness holds unimaginable treasures and the key to our future. Hidden beneath the mud is methane hydrate. It looks exactly like ice, but it magically bursts into flames. This fire ice could be a massive energy source, but mining it is incredibly dangerous and highly unstable. One wrong move could release massive gas bubbles, triggering underwater landslides and disrupting the entire atmosphere. There is also a gold mine of metallic rocks called polymetallic nodules scattered across the dark ocean floor. These rocks hold the rare metals desperately needed for modern batteries, electric cars, and next-generation technology. The nations that secure these deep-sea resources today will completely control the global technology market tomorrow. The deep ocean is quietly becoming a new, highly competitive arena, a silent race for absolute global dominance. While some nations scale back their budgets, others are rapidly expanding their massive underwater footprints. But it's not just about mining. The modern world relies heavily on a massive web of underwater submarine cables. Millions of miles of cables rest on the seafloor, carrying global internet, banking data, and vital communications. These lifelines are fragile. Recently, advanced robots designed to find and repair these deep cables were successfully tested. But a robot that can repair a cable can also silently disable it, potentially pausing the entire world's communication. The deep ocean is no longer just a scientific mystery. If one power controls it, all of humanity pays the price.